Hey guys, Future here of FutureMeDead.com. This is a follow-up video to the video I made 2 days ago on ticker symbol AAPL, that's Apple. We're looking at a 15-minute candlestick chart with a range of 20 days. But before I continue, if you haven't seen the previous video, I'm going to go ahead and drop the link in the description below. Check it out because I do cover some of the bigger picture aspects with regards to the stock. But going back to the chart at hand, I do believe we have completed an A, B, C to the downside, which completes a larger degree wave 4. I turned bullish here, and I'm expecting a new high past the termination point of wave 3 at a minimum. But it's not going to be a straight shot up there. There will be corrections along the way, and I do believe we are ripe for a correction. Now, there are 3 reasons that I want to point out why I've come to that conclusion. The first is we have a completed impulse wave to the upside. You can see it here, wave 1, partial retracement in wave 2. We have a nice move up in wave 3. That subdivides into its own 5 waves, followed by an ABC correction. This is called an expanded flat in a wave 4, and we get a new high in a wave 5. Now, Elliott wave teaches us that once you have a completed impulse wave in any direction, either up or down, you are to expect a 3-wave counter trend move. So that's what I'm doing here. That's point number 1. Point number 2 is if I draw my Fibonacci retracement levels using my Fib tool here, the entire price length of wave 4, you can see that this impulse wave just so happened to terminate at the 61.8% Fib level. So I do believe that this is adding to my conviction that a correction is immediately at hand. It just so happens to coincide with the apex of this previous triangle, which just so happened to provide resistance on 2 other occasions. So you could say this is, I don't want to call it stiff support, but it is certainly valid. And this is the first time it's testing this area, so initial rejection would be normal. Point number 3, you can see here as price is making new highs, momentum is making lower highs. Now granted, this is a short-term time frame using 15-minute candlesticks, but everything about this is just textbook. You can see here the strongest point of this wave is the middle point of wave 3, as it should. We have this gap which coincides with the strongest point, the peak of the momentum indicator, in this case RSI. So making lower highs in momentum is just telling me that this is a 5th wave, and it helps to confirm my count. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, go over to FutureMeDead.com. I do have a mailing list. You can drop your email there. It's free. I do recommend it because anytime I post a free analysis, you're gonna get it in your inbox immediately. And this analysis is very time sensitive. If you guys want to see my trades, then I do have a subscription service for that. Go ahead and poke around. There's plenty of free material. So that's it. You guys can catch me at FutureMeDead.com or on Twitter at FutureMeDead. Good luck.